Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you all? I hope you all guys are good. In this video, I'd like to tell about the Nothing Phone 3A series. So basically, we're coming to the CEO. What CEO says is the most important thing. They are improving better in the design purpose. They are improving a better, and also they are improving the software and as well as some things. See, the basically one thing I like so much in the Nothing company, giving a value for a customer. See, when you give a value for the customer feels very happy. Pretty good. There's something missing like AI features. I know that. So in nothing phone, the AI features are missing. But compared to the camera side and as well as the software side, these are very useful, and this is very pretty good. So while coming to the Nothing 3S series, they are having a beautiful designs. Like some designs are most useful. I mean, how to say, they are beautiful really. Right? Different designs. The design looks very good, and backside lights they all are very good. When I see these all designs, I really think very happy. From my side, nothing is real or fake. I mean, really, it's really great. From the nothing side, they are real, not at all a fake. Mm, Obviously, some things are missing in the phone, like AI features. Mostly think, mostly think once in this particular generation we are using AI. Not using all the people, only some people are using AI features. Not all the people are using. So in that case, maybe AI features is not much needed for humans. I think so. While coming to the thing, mm, people want, they don't use AI features also, they need these features. So people see they want features are there, more features. These people want more features and more features. Without features, they can't even afford that particular price. Mm, See what happens. Nothing says we are doing a beginning stage. The CEO says only one thing. Where in the beginning stage we improve a lot, improve a lot. They try to improve themselves. I really happy if they improve. And this is about nothing 3 series, and I like to share some a bit of thing. So what the thing I like to share it, I just share it. Now please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video up to till the end, and thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.